Hello everyone, Mike AROON here, co-founder, past trading partners on Chino. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please like the video, give them a thumbs up. Share our content, ring the bell, do all that thing, help support the channel. The channel's been growing faster now, and we really appreciate everyone who watches our video and subscribes. All right, KODAK. Yesterday, we didn't even have enough information to judge things today. So, hope the longer term members here, the subscribers who watch a lot of the videos, saw this key candles lining up right along here with this key low, and then we closed right on it. That gave me a nice 33.20 level. So you can see here, if you drop down, runs that 15-minute right here, started closing below that level with the rotation zone pushing down, started looking for lower price action. Going back to that 1 hour, I'm doing it shorter term because the daily and the 15-minute, or the daily and the 4 hour are so far away from the rotation zones. So what do I watch when it starts closing inside the rotation zone for the 1 hour? I watch for it to possibly hit the other side, which was right around 27.50. Came down here, bouncing up slightly. So that's your key level for tomorrow. Let me expand this a little. So support coming in 27.50. If we get below that, 25 and 22.50 on any rally, that 33.20, you can watch about 33 to 33.20 is now resistance. Prior support becoming resistance. If we did have a stronger rally back through there, I'd start watching the 38 level right here, one of the GAN retracement levels. Let's now just check in on those longer term charts, which would be the 4 hour and the daily. So you see here, 4 hour rotation zone just slightly above this 22.50. So I'd probably watch about 23.50 to 22.50. We have the GAN level, we have the rising rotation zone, and we have the GAN projection, all coming in the same area. So on a continued sell-off, that's the key area I would really be focused on. If you got a 4 hour close below that, then we're going to start watching the low of this bar, which comes in around 17.50. Let's just check the daily. Here we go, daily. See, there's no point, because if we get below that low, it's then focusing on the gap fill. Probably minor from the daily rotation zone, but that gap fill will be the magnet, and with the bottom of the daily rotation zone. But let's just see what happens tomorrow. Let's see if it continues to retrace, or if we get any kind of bounce. So we have for you, and remember, you should watch my video yesterday on ranting on this, because if it does go nuts again, it's very tough to trade. This has already gone crazy. So I am not advising most people to be in this. I actually think most people shouldn't be in this, but I know some of the people who watch this video will be trading this, some people might already be trapped and wondering why it's not bouncing back up. Vertical up, vertical down. I mean, we can get bounces in it, but it's generally not sustainable. So that's what we have for you. I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.